Tom Kitten Drinks Milk. Episode 2. In the Kitchen. The farmer's wife went into the house. Tom jumped onto the window. He looked into the kitchen. The farmer's wife had more milk. She poured it into a tall pot. Then she left. Tom licked his lips. He leaned closer. Tom fell onto the kitchen floor. Just then, a mouse peeped out of a hole.
"What are you doing here?"
she asked.
"Nothing,"
Tom said, but he was looking at the tall pot. Tom jumped up. He stepped slowly toward the milk. Tom stood on his back legs. He peeked into the pot. Tom said.
"The milk smells wonderful."
Tom dipped a paw into the pot, but he couldn't reach the milk. Tom leaned closer.
Ah!
Tom cried. The pot tipped over.